Good morning, Dame.
Good morning, Whoopi.
It's been another week, girl. How are you surviving?
Well, I'm hanging in, Whoopi, but the days, they're so long.
Oh, and I bet the nights are even longer.
Oh, you can say that, but I've got to thank you. I got that surprise you sent me.
Oh, you got the parrot? How do you like it?
Oh, I had it last night. It was delicious.
You what? You ate it?
Well, yes, what else was I supposed to do with a bird?
Wait, Dave. That parrot, it can talk. The parrot can sing. It can speak like 3 different languages. And you put it in the oven? How could you?
Well, why didn't it say something?
No, you are crazy.
It had ample time, Whoopi. I was seasoning it and never said a word.
No, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.